Hope yous are having a blessed day. Figured I'd show you this campsite. This is called the Little Salmon Creek Campsite. It's in the Allegheny National Forest. It's off the North Country Trail. Kind of in between Marionville and Kettleville. I'll post in the descriptions. I'll post where exactly it's at. And I figured I'd show you a little bit of the area. A lot of beavers down here. Hopefully I get to see one. I don't know, we'll see. I mean, you can see the signs. It's a nice little section. This is about 3.5 miles in from outside, just right outside of Marionville. See the beavers are working over there. They have a lot of trees down here. This is Little Salmon Creek looking up that way. And then this is down Little Salmon Creek. And I'm pretty buggy. And of course I forgot my bug lotion. But here's the campsite for the night. It's a fire pit. And collected some wood. Some of this wood was here. I come over. This is kind of going to be the command center here. There's the tent set up. There wasn't this spot. You could hammock camp. Or if you had a small tent, you could find a little better spots. Mine's not. It's a little too big for this spot, but it'll work. And then so this is the Little Creek Salmon Campsite off the North Country Trail in the Allegheny National Forest.